York City after a 5-hour drive in a snowstorm to get a pair of these sunglasses, Snapchat's spectacles. Spectacles are a pair of sunglasses with a built-in camera, specifically designed for use with Snapchat. The only way to purchase them since their release on November 10th is via what they call a Snapbot. Snapbots are basically vending machines that are placed in different locations around the country. These locations remain a mystery until a countdown timer on their website reaches 0 to reveal the bot's location on Google Maps. But it's only there for one day. Once the machine is empty, they take it back to be restocked before moving on to the next location. I'm from Boston, and so far, the East Coast has gotten snubbed by the California-based company, which has dropped the machines much more frequently on the West Coast, save for the New York pop-up store. On November 20th, the location revealed in New York City was a physical pop-up store that will remain open until New Year's Eve. So, what is my dumbass doing? Glad you asked. I'm driving to New York! So here's the plan. I started by doing my research. It turns out that these days, almost a month after the opening of the New York store, the lines aren't all that crazy anymore. So I've decided to leave home at around 1 or 2 in the morning and drive about 4 hours to New York City to arrive by 6 a.m. just in time for the spectacle store to open their doors. On my way to the store.
Shadows leaving down for all the triumph that we made. So paint your solace and hold what's on.
Okay, so I'm definitely behind schedule. It's 7:30 and I'm right around the corner from the spectacle store.
Coming back between 8:30 and 9 o'clock.
Okay.
It's credit and debit cards only, and the limit is 2. Okay?
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Got my wristband, and now I'm gonna get out of the snow.
Here we are, and now we're alone in the atmosphere, not fading. Here we are.
Okay, I'm back. It's a little past 8:30. It's exactly 12 hours later, and I'm finally back home. I got snowed on, I got rained on, I got spectacles. That means today was a success. They come in 3 colors, and I got the orangey color, which they call coral, and I also got a pair of black ones because, you know, sell that shit on eBay. The way they work is you just hold down this button, you tap this button on the side, and it'll start recording. The lights here indicate that it's on and recording. That gets sent to your phone directly to the Snapchat app in your memories folder. From there, you just select the snap you want to send. You can even give it edits and different filters like you would with any normal snap, and then send it off to whoever you like. The cool thing about viewing a snap sent by Spectacles is that it records in a circular format, enabling the viewer to turn their phone to reveal more of the picture. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm just gonna sit here and try to justify this purchase to myself by saying it's okay and useful to me because I work in social media. They're just so cool!